We'll guide you through how to resolve failed payments on Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Stripe dashboard by logging into your account on the Stripe website. Once you're there, head over to the Payments section on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a list of all recent transactions. Look for any payments marked as failed. Click on the specific transaction to view more details about the failure. Stripe provides a reason for the failure, which could be due to insufficient funds, card expired, or incorrect card details. If the issue is related to incorrect card details or an expired card, you need to contact the customer to update their payment information. You can do this by navigating to the Customers section, selecting the customer, and clicking Update Payment Method. If the issue is due to insufficient funds, it's best to communicate with the customer to retry the payment at a later date. Stripe allows you to retry failed payments. Go back to the failed payment details and click on Retry Payment. This can be done after confirming with the customer that they have resolved any issues with their payment method. To prevent future issues, consider setting up automated payment retries. Go to the settings in your Stripe dashboard, click on Billing, and then Retry Rules. Here, you can customize how many times and how frequently Stripe should attempt to retry a failed payment. This reduces the need for manual interventions and improves cash flow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.